We will tell you the 15 methods to earn money in 2025. You will need effort, but it would be very minimal. So keep watching the video till the end. Now let's begin. Number 1. Providing online tutoring services. One may need to reassess the notion that a perfect academic record is a prerequisite for being an effective tutor. Online tutoring companies like Tutor.com, Tutorm, and Studypool engage tutors with specialization in diverse subjects, enabling users to leverage their expertise without requiring comprehensive knowledge in all areas. Exercise prudence in the selection of a tutoring opportunity. Certain individuals utilizing on-demand tutoring platforms appear to primarily seek assistance in completing essays or homework assignments, which may constitute a form of academic dishonesty. Exercise caution during the review of job listings. Number 2. Consider engaging in user experience testing. All businesses aim to develop a website that delivers essential information, fulfills its goals, and generates income. When a system fails to perform effectively, organizations frequently engage user experience testers to analyze the underlying issues and obtain critical feedback. Is it possible to evaluate the user-friendliness of a website through a brief examination of the web page? Monetary compensation can be obtained by offering feedback to companies like User Testing or TryMui. Numerous individuals assert that one can earn $10 for a test and as much as $120 for live conversations. Subscribe to our channel and click the like button to discover additional learning opportunities. Number 3. Consider engaging in survey participation. It is advisable to investigate survey platforms like MyPoints or SurveyJunkie, which offer monetary compensation for engaging in surveys and providing feedback. This appears to be a compelling opportunity, does it not? It is important to recognize that these sites utilize specific criteria in their selection process for individuals. Not all surveys encountered will align perfectly with individual needs. A predetermined number of surveys must be completed prior to the redemption of points for cash. This should not be regarded as a scheme for rapid wealth accumulation. Nonetheless, the supplementary funds may accrue progressively over time. A patient and persistent mindset may warrant consideration of this approach. Number 4. Earn cash back through applications. A variety of mobile applications exist that provide guidance on methods to generate supplementary income through straightforward tasks. This process is straightforward, akin to using your phone to scan a receipt. Investigate mobile applications including Aboda, Rakuten Shopkick, Receipt Hog, and Dosh to efficiently generate supplementary income. Number 5. Provide instruction in the English language. This approach resembles the tutoring path. However, rather than providing independent English instruction, one can affiliate with a reputable organization such as VipKid Online, utilizing a mobile device. If the prospect of teaching induces anxiety due to the anticipated grading and paperwork, there is no need for concern. They will manage all lesson objectives and grading for you. A 4-year degree in any discipline and a minimum of 2 years of experience in teaching, tutoring, or coaching are prerequisites. Should you fulfill the criteria, this opportunity presents mutual advantages. Number 6. Monetize your creative skills to generate income. If you possess creative skills and have yet to identify an appropriate platform to display your work, consider engaging in freelance opportunities on Fiverr during your leisure time. The platform connects freelancers proficient in writing, editing, graphic design, and voiceover work with clients seeking their creative skills. A profile will be developed for potential employers to efficiently assess your experience, rates, and areas of expertise. It resembles a hybrid of an online portfolio and a resume. Prepare to generate supplementary income by harnessing your creative capabilities. Number 7. Consider offering your expertise in the capacity of a virtual assistant. Individuals with robust organizational skills who excel in challenging tasks and seek the flexibility of remote work may find the position of a virtual assistant to be highly suitable. Furthermore, the incorporation of diversity in daily tasks is likely to be valued by many individuals. You have the opportunity to aid business owners in attaining a more balanced integration of their professional and personal lives. It is advisable to investigate platforms like Upwork and Zirtual to identify potential opportunities within this field. Number 8. Develop into an influential individual. Individuals with a substantial following on social media platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, may consider the opportunity to pursue a career as an influencer. This presents an opportunity to generate income from your posts. By leveraging expertise across multiple industries, one can establish themselves as a reliable resource for businesses aiming to improve their online visibility. Contact brands you admire to convey your interest in potential collaboration opportunities. For those interested in affiliate marketing and sponsored content, it is advisable to explore platforms such as ShareSale and Amazon Associates. Number 9. Consider pursuing a career as a social media manager. What are the implications of engaging with social media while opting not to display one's own image? You possess the capability to aid other organizations in improving their social media visibility. Numerous companies employ these platforms for cost-free marketing, fostering robust connections with existing and prospective customers, while also developing a loyal customer base. Nonetheless, smaller companies may encounter difficulties in maintaining pace with these demands. Your expertise is essential in this context. This opportunity may be well suited for individuals with a strong creative aptitude, an affinity for networking, and a comprehensive understanding of diverse social media platforms. Number 10. Earn income through the sale of your photographs. Do your camera rolls contain captivating images of sunsets and meticulously arranged lattes? There exists the potential to generate supplementary income for individuals. Photo allows users to earn up to $10 per photo, with the potential for higher earnings through specific missions. It is important to note that they will retain 50% of your sale proceeds. It is essential to acknowledge that there is no assurance of photo sales. Even with minimal sales, capturing photographs of daily moments presents a straightforward method for generating supplementary income. Number 11. Consider engaging in driving services for Uber or Lyft. Consider becoming a driver for Uber or Lyft as a flexible means of earning income. Individuals possess the autonomy to establish their own driving hours and schedules, thereby enabling control over the extent of their driving activities. Furthermore, one gains the advantage of encountering new individuals and participating in stimulating discussions during the journey. Your earnings are affected by factors including geographical location and the frequency of passenger trips. Utilizing spare time on a Saturday to explore the city while earning income as a driver is a viable option. Number 12. Consider the option of working as a food delivery driver. For individuals who appreciate driving and favor limited interaction, it may be beneficial to investigate food delivery options with platforms such as Uber Eats, DoorDash, Grubhub, or Postmates. This presents an excellent opportunity to generate supplementary income during leisure time, while engaging with audiobooks or listening to preferred podcasts. Number 13. Consider engaging in a focus group. Do you take pleasure in articulating your ideas? What is the rationale for not generating a profit from it? Investigate the availability of local focus groups in your vicinity or through online platforms. Participation in taste tests or product trials presents opportunities for monetary compensation. Ensuring compliance with the specified criteria prior to application submission is essential. Number 14. Implement grocery delivery services. If you appreciate the thrill of shopping without utilizing personal finances, an intriguing opportunity is available to you. Ship provides a distinctive avenue for income generation through the shopping and delivery of groceries to clients. Shipt reports that its shoppers have the potential to earn up to $22 per hour. 3. You will receive $22 per hour for shopping activities. Instacart represents a viable option for consideration. In addition to various side ventures, one can generate passive income through investment, requiring no active effort. One may achieve an annual return of 10% on invested capital by allocating funds to appropriate assets. Number 15. Consider investigating babysitting as a viable income source. Adolescents predominantly occupy the babysitting sector. Nonetheless, there is no justification for excluding yourself from participation. Securing a job may be more straightforward than one might anticipate. Numerous parents readily accept the chance to enjoy an evening away from home. Nonetheless, finding a dependable sitter can sometimes prove to be quite difficult. Propose your services to individuals in your vicinity, including friends, neighbors, and colleagues, by indicating your availability to provide childcare for a fee during your free time. Alternatively, one may consider utilizing platforms such as SitterCity or Care.com to facilitate the acquisition of babysitting opportunities. Individuals possess the autonomy to establish their own schedules and determine their preferred hourly rates, which may vary between $15 and $25, influenced by factors such as geographical location and the particular family engaged. Now, please subscribe to our channel to help us hit our goal of 1,000 subscribers.